Hello traders, I'm back here with my best analysis and the best trade of the day. Today is 28th of January, Thursday 2021, and let's dig into the system and let's share with you guys my today's trading activity. Alright, so just to recap guys, I'm using this platform to trade live alongside my other professional trader. If you really want to know how I use this system, please watch that video. Link is given in the video description. And these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis. I analyze market twice a day, just before London open 7:30 GMT and one is 2 p.m. and all the analysis recording instantly available in the training session. As you can see that I analyze market both in 4-hour and intraday, and then I refine all the entries and exit, explain in more details all the price action and patterns. And once the analysis broadcast, of course, we watch those analyses, and if any opportunity is raised based on the price action analysis, we broadcast that information instantly through live audio commentary and update in the analysis section. So technically we trade alongside with the professional traders, so we analyze market together, and that's why we bank beautiful pips every single day. And as you can see, all the analyses including their updates in the analysis section. You can see we had it very few analysis, but we managed beautiful pips. You can see let's dig into this one is pretty straightforward. You can see this was the gold consolidation in this morning. We have Aussie dollar, this one pretty straightforward. You can see pullback short trade, price nicely developed, beautiful pullback short trade in Aussie dollar this morning. Pound dollar, we had a quite interesting moves. As you can see here, price nicely respected, beautiful pullback, and we had a two pullback short trade, beautiful based on the analysis. Again, we watch on the 4-hour. Based on that, I'm going to share some information with you guys just a minute. And pound Swiss franc, this was a pretty straightforward. You can see the breakout, descending triangle pattern breakout. Afterwards we have another pullback short trade on pound Swiss franc. Kiwi dollar, pretty straightforward. First priority always be pullback short based on the momentum. We had a beautiful pullback short trade on Kiwi dollar. Euro pound, pretty straightforward, which we explain, as you can see in the analysis, that the price has developed head and shoulder pattern. So we're looking if the price gonna break above that yellow fib channel, which price nicely broken, which we announced that updates through live audio and commentary. And you can see our first target as mentioned here in the analysis, and through live audio commentary we bank beautiful pips on the euro pound. We also had a beautiful trade this morning long on dollar CAD, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis, that if the price is going to respect this orange EMA, which price nicely developed, more momentum was bullish, beautiful pullback long trade on dollar CAD. So you can see we had all these beautiful trades. We had a later stage of the New York session, we had a counter long trade. If we show you in Kiwi dollar, as we explained to trader, that head and shoulder pattern is developed, so any pullback is going to perform because momentum is developed bullish. So we're expecting nice move. That first target this one, so we explain to our trader any pullback. You can see we had a first pullback as mentioned here. Exactly after that we have announced another pullback, beautiful. So based on the price action, we also watch in 4-hour. Let me share with you guys, it's not about just intraday. You can see the price was at the support level. As soon as the price reversed, and of course head and shoulder pattern was developed in intraday, we can see some nice rejections. We have this pullback, beautiful pullback long trades on Aussie dollar and the Kiwi dollar both, as you can see here. We also had a beautiful breakout short trade this morning. You can see head and shoulder pattern, beautiful pips in intraday, and then afterwards you can see instantly at the New York session we basically define another pattern. You can see triangle pattern, previous high and low, and beautiful breakout, beautiful short trade on a euro pound, beautiful trade. So as you can see, one of my traders banked 68 pips today, and he just traded only a few pairs but managed beautiful pips. Only losing that was the dollar Swiss franc. It was a pretty straightforward. You can see pull back and he closed trade instantly as soon as the price reversed, but he managed beautiful pips. The best trade was the pound dollar. as you can see, based on the analysis which I explained to you guys. Beautiful pullback short trade at this level, and we had, I think he had 2 trades on pound dollar. This one again, he had another pullback short trade. He had this one and the second one, and it banked 16 pips and 21 pips. And then euro pound, this is a pretty straightforward, as we explained to you guys. Head and shoulder pattern, developed beautiful breakout long trade. And this one is a short trade on pound dollar again, beautiful 14, 21 and 16 pips, only just pound. We had a dollar CAD long on 10 pips. You can see here, as mentioned on the analysis, beautiful pullback long trade. So you can see he managed to bank 68 pips. As you can see that all these trades are 100% based on the analysis, which we broadcast instantly and we share with our traders. So guys, so I hope you enjoy all this analysis detail, and if you would like to see all that analysis in real time, alongside with the live audio commentary support, even if you don't have forex trading experience, don't worry, we also provide full forex coaching and training through this platform, as my objective is to train people with the live market, so at least they can see it how it works. So then if you produce during that training that sort of pips, we can also arrange funds for you to trade, for funds. And even if you're struggling in forex trading, I'm pretty sure you can develop your trading skill through this platform very effectively and very quickly. Or even if you're an experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love to bank all that pips every single day. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. I'm also offering free one-to-one consultation, and my availability calendar link is also given somewhere in the video description. So most welcome. Okay, have a nice evening guys, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.